Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new video guys. I want to show you how you can grab or collect as many Qluck coins or points as possible, and again how you're gonna turn them into cash. So make sure you watch this video until the end. If you're new on my channel, this is the first time you're watching my channel or watching my video, my name is Cynthia and you are most welcome. Remember to join our WhatsApp group. I'm going to pin all the links to this website and also to our WhatsApp group on the comment section. So if you have any question, you can reach me directly. If you join WhatsApp group, just inbox any admin number there. Okay, so guys, to get started, you can see, let us just start with the ranking, leaderboard ranking. Okay, so the name of the airdrop is Qluck. Excuse me, mama, sorry. Qluck airdrop. Okay, so weekly leaderboard. This is the weekly leaderboard, guys. You can see how many points these people who are appearing on the leaderboard. So you can see their wallet addresses. Okay, so you can see their profile. These are real people, guys. I'm sharing something that I know in future it's gonna give us something out of it. Okay, so if you watch this video, don't forget to join. It is free to join and available almost everywhere in the world. Okay. So you can see weekly Qlucks. The first guy is having around 3 million. This is weekly. Okay, and bonus, this guy got 120,000 bonus. So you can see these are the first people. Let me see up to which number, up to number 10, I guess. Okay, so you can also decide to view them all ranking, but I'm not going to do that. You can do that by yourself after you have joined. Okay, so let us see here. Myself, I joined this morning, though I'm getting I'm making this video in the evening because I've been so busy. You can see my current ranking. I'm number 661. That is general. Okay, I'm number 661. I saw this airdrop in the morning. I saw airdrop advertisement in the morning. I'm going to show you their official website so that you know that it is real and serious. If these people joined and they're so serious about it, what about you? Anything that can make you money, please. So long as they don't ask you for money or for anything, take it. Take it serious. The week which just ended last week, that is, many people made $1,000. And many people $1,000. Imagine I saw the opportunity, but I ignored it. I felt so bad the last week because many people made money out of nothing, like from just an airdrop like this. Imagine. So that is why I'm telling people, don't take anything for granted. So you have some simple tasks here to perform and you'll be good to go. You can see the ones that have finished and the ones which have not finished. You can see, guys, I've managed to claim my own. So the main thing here is you connecting your account. If you have MetaMask, if you have Binance Web3, if you have Trust Wallet. So I'm going to do this tutorial with Trust Wallet. Okay, so make sure you follow closely. Make sure you follow me. You can see I joined 7 hours ago. Okay, so I've connected my account. Okay, you can see I've managed to claim 1,250, which I'll be able to claim. Like I've already claimed it. You can see under claimed. Okay, you can see under claimed. You can see if it is here, if you don't claim it, it will expire in the next 60 days. Okay, so when it is here, you click on claim, and for you to claim it, there are some processes that you have to go through. So that is what I'm going to take you through, okay, so that you don't strain. Many ways of earning here. If you can share your referral link with your friends, you see I've managed to do the task. I've not referred anyone. So referral is optional, but I encourage those who can share their link. You just copy your link here, share with your friends, because it will make you earn more. You will be earning around 600 Qluck points for each user you invite successfully. Okay, and I pray that if I reach 10,000, of which I know I will reach today or tomorrow, I will unlock this NFT. I will collect it. Wow, I can't wait for that, the two of them. Okay, so guys, take this thing serious. I'm gonna take you to the official website. I know the video is gonna be long, but you can see the ones are finished. You have to check in on a daily basis. They will be giving you 150 Qluck. You can see the rewards. You can see the tasks that you have to perform. All these things, perform them. I'm going to do all of them. And for the first time, you have to connect your Twitter account. They will tell you before you collect the points here. You have to do the 3 major tasks, which is connecting your Discord, connecting your Twitter account, and connecting your Telegram account, of which it is so simple. They're gonna take you through. And the first one is to connect your wallet. If your Trust wallet, I encourage you, because Trust wallets nowadays is the best. You can even buy coins direct with your mobile money. Okay, direct from your phone. So nowadays it is so simple to use Trust wallet. I really love it, very convenient. So for you to claim this is what you need to do, guys. This network is under OPBNB. Okay, so for you to do that, go to your Trust wallet. Let us go to Trust wallet. So guys, this is my wallet. I don't have much, but this is like I want to do this video tutorial with this account. You can see this is what I have in my account. You can see clearly. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. I'm going to put the link on the comment section, and I'm also going to put that link that you need to do what I'm about to show you. Okay, pay attention. So copy that link and come paste it here, and discover. Go to discover, paste the link here, paste link. Okay, after pasting the link, go to search. Okay, let it load. What is it? Let's wait for it to load. Let me see what my daughter wants. So guys, wait. So guys, pardon me, I copied my the eds3 link instead of pasting the right one. So let me search it here. So this is the right thing I want you guys to see. This one is written OPBNB. You can see bridge.bnbchain.org. You can see this one. This is what I want. It has copied it. It has written itself twice. So we're gonna search this one. There is a reason why I'm showing you this, because for you to transfer, you're gonna need something, even if it is 10 cents, $0.20, 0. You hear what I'm trying to say? So you're gonna click connect wallet, connect here. Okay, mine is connected already. You can see my account balance is reflecting. Please, can you stop what you... I will beat you. So for the first time, you're gonna click on connect. Okay, click on the connect. Leave the mainnet the way it is. Then please, you can choose any of them. But as for me, because I connected my Trust wallet. So use what you're gonna connect from this big 5. Are there 5? No, big 7. Okay, I'm gonna choose Trust wallet. Remember, we said that this is what we're gonna do. For example, so you can see the balance of my BNB is reflecting. But you know, I've already done you can see the history. I've already done some swap. It's not showing. It has taken me back. Guys, the reason why I'm showing you that It's because you're gonna read even if it is 10 cents in that account for OBNP. Oh, my network is the bad. Okay. My network is so poor, guys. Wow. My network is misbehaving. Guys, I don't know. Let's refresh everything. The page and everything. Guys, I don't know whether you get what I am saying, or I'm trying to tell you that am I the one who is putting wrong thing? Oh, I'm putting this instead of this. This is not the right thing. Okay. Oh my god. I don't know why they are denying me. I don't know, it's because I've clicked it several times or what. But let us go to the previous from the history. Okay, so after that, you're gonna click after connecting, guys. After connecting, you're gonna go to deposit. Please listen to me so well. Deposit. After clicking on the deposit, remember, you only put what you have. Okay, so my account, I had some. So you just put the amount you want to transfer, even if it is 10 cents, 20 cents. Okay, then you click on okay, let me do this. Let me connect my account first. Network is the problem here. Oh my god, Cynthia. Network is too low. You click on deposit. I don't know why the collect button is not going through. I think it's my network is the issue here, because all these things I've done them and you can see I've claimed my points, right? So that is the procedure. You're gonna put, even if it is 0 cents or what, you're gonna put it. Then if you want to withdraw it again, you can go withdraw it there. But immediately the token or the airdrop, okay, the token has been listed, you'll be able to swap it or sell it. And the good thing is that if you follow me and you join our WhatsApp group, you'll be getting updates. Guys, don't maybe I've not explained it well, but whatever you've understood, just take advantage of this thing. If you want more clarifications, I will do another video. Then after that, you'll come here, you can go back to this page and claim. You'll come back to this page and claim, and click on claim Qluck. Okay, as simple as that. As simple as that. Do all this, the task. Do all of them. Make sure you finish all of them. Okay, it's so simple, guys. Let me take you to the official website.